so far, Lieutenant Colonel John Klatt, lying in your guard. As John mentioned, a member of the Guard for nearly 22 years. We invite you all to stop on by our mobile retreat. Located next to the beer gardens, the B-52, the big Delta aircraft, you can't miss it. Stop on by, meet any one of the local recruiters here. Learn more about it. Benefits such as 100% college tuition reimbursement. Great way to get a head start in education. For all you young guys and gals, come on over, meet any one of the members there. Else do for some energy, sending it over into what we call the woolly flip hangout. End over end, tumbling. The air guard pans on 330. One unique characteristic about this aircraft, this airplane is capable of 20 times the force of gravity. Lieutenant Colonel John Klatt getting an early start in aviation at the age of 17, earning his private pilot's license at the local FBO in Lakeville, Minnesota, where John resides today with his wife, and son, Dave. After high school, John attended the University of Minnesota in Duluth, where it was in his sophomore year John was introduced to the Air Guard. Upon initial pilot completion training program, John was assigned to C-130s, flying missions all across the world. And later, in 1996, transitioned to the F-16. Give him a big wave, folks. Lieutenant Colonel John Klatt right off the deck, inverted now.